Well, in this video, I'm gonna be comparing two programs that a lot of people who are trying to, make a living with affiliate marketing are talking about. The first one is the Super Affiliate Intensive by Jacob Carries, and the other one is the 3-day Business Breakthrough Challenge by Jonathan Montoya. I'm gonna show you everything that you need to know, how the platform looks like. I'm gonna let you know what's it's inside of the program, so you can make a wisdom decision like, okay, maybe this one is the right fit for me, maybe this other one is the right fit for me, or maybe both of them are perfect for you. Hey, hello, my name is Diana Castillo. Welcome to the channel. This channel is all about real ways to make money online. So if this is something that you are interested on learning, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell, because I'm updating my channel pretty consistently and I don't want you to miss a video. Okay, as I mentioned, well, everything it's going to be about Jonathan Montoya's 3-day Business Breakthrough Challenge if you're interested in starting an online business, and Jacob Carey's Super Affiliate Intensive, which is a 5-day challenge basically. Okay, this is the sales page. So we're gonna see that, well, if you decide to go with Jacob's, this is actually how the presentation look like. It's a video explaining a business model, right? It's with high ticket affiliate marketing, so that means that you're gonna be 100% focused on selling products that you are gonna earn at least $500 or even $1,000, and that's gonna be your cut, your commission. Okay, so you're gonna see some testimonials about the program, right? And basically, well, it's gonna let you know that you're gonna have a 4-day blueprint training with 4-part framework to crush it with high ticket affiliate marketing. You're gonna have interviews with 5 real life students. They already graduated and they're gonna share with you like their experience. You're gonna have an implementation call. This is a one-on-one call with one of a 6 or 7-figure earner. This actually is a coach that is gonna be talking with you, is gonna be asking you about your plans, after you review what is inside the program, so they can give you a guidelines. Okay, this is included. You don't need to pay anything extra. You're gonna have access to a private Super Affiliate Intensive Challenge Facebook group, and there are actually 3 bonuses. Okay, the first bonus is a detailed training on how to start, grow, and monetize a Facebook group with high ticket marketing. The second one is Super Affiliate Story Formula, so you can extract, craft, and share your story to the world and generate huge profits. The Art of Attraction High Quality Leads with Money. This is a powerful training by Jacob, and the actual price is $100. It's a one-time investment. You don't need to pay anything extra. There is a 100% refund policy, and they have what it's called a bump sale. Okay, so you have the opportunity to get something extra for $37, which is basically how a high ticket affiliate marketer closer reveals their secret. This is what you're gonna get, like generally speaking. Again, I'm gonna be showing you what is inside so you can see how the platform looks like. Okay, this is $100. This is a one-time payment. So let's check on Jonathan's, the Freedom Breakthrough 3-day Business Breakthrough Challenge. If you decide to go and start a business, again, this is actually with affiliate marketing. And by the way, keep watching because I'm gonna let you know everything. Okay, first of all, just in case that you did not get it, with the Super Affiliate Intensive, it's about Facebook. Okay, it's about Facebook. They are gonna teach you everything, like how to grab or have relationships with Facebook, using Facebook group, using your Facebook Messenger. It's all about that. Here on the Freedom Breakthrough, on day 1, You are going to learn what exactly it's affiliate marketing and why it's the best business model. For me personally, it's because I don't need to create a product. I don't need to process payment. I don't need to deal with customer service, refunds, customer supports. Okay, this is for me personally. Also, you're going to build out your own online business in 30 minutes. Okay, because he's going to show you everything, how you're going to create a funnel, how you're going to go with your email sequence. You're actually going to grab his funnel and you're going to learn all about traffic. While with Super Affiliate Intensive, it's just about Facebook. With Jonathan, you're going to learn about TikTok, you're going to learn about YouTube, and even you're going to learn about paid traffic, which is actually amazing. Okay. There are bonuses as well. The very first bonus is that you're going to get his complete done for you business with the exact system. Okay. You're going to have video scripts, because remember that with Jonathan, you're going to learn about YouTube, you're going to learn about TikTok. So you're going to learn how that's going to go viral, and you're going to learn about keyword research, because maybe you don't want to go with with organic traffic, which is basically free traffic. You're not going to be investing money on it, right? But you want to grow and scale your business with paid traffic, but maybe you don't know how to do the keyword research, or how to do the keyword research for your YouTube video, how to do your keyword research for TikToks. And hey, this is amazing because you are gonna get it all for $7. And by the way, there is another bonus that he did not mention here, is that you're not gonna be alone. Okay, you are gonna have access to a Facebook group. Okay, and by the way, Jonathan and the community, it's really active on the Facebook group. Okay, first let me show you the communities. Okay, this is the Super Affiliate Intensive community. So far they have 870,000 members. Okay, the two guys who are actually in charge of this is Jacob Karras and my friend Jamie Gardner. Okay, so here's a welcome message. So you're gonna see here, sharing testimonials like, okay, someone make a high ticket commission, asking questions. This person is trying to have a conversation with someone who is interested on cryptos, right? A new member here, someone who go through the training and everything. So this is the actual community. Let me show you that community of the 3-day business challenge. This is actually Jonathan's community. You can see that it has almost 5,000 members. So way more members, way more community. Okay, Jonathan, well, it's here also sharing case of studies. It's also people asking questions. For example, you can see here, and this is a testimonial that I really like with Brian, that he says that he just finished day 2 of the challenge, and he utilized all the skills to create his own system, his own funnel. So you can see here the funnel, right? How it goes with the congratulations and all the thing with the email sequence. Remember that with the Super Affiliate Intensive, it's more about having a conversation with a lead or a prospect, how to go with them, how to start a conversation. So maybe if you're an introvert, the Super Affiliate system is not for you, because, hey, you don't want to be talking with people all day long through Facebook. Or maybe you don't want to compromise your Facebook, you don't want to compromise your time. And it's also $100. If that's the case, my suggestion is go with the Freedom, the 3-day business challenge with Jonathan Montoya, because, well, it's $7. You have the community. It's a way bigger community, and you're going to learn everything, right, about affiliate marketing, why it is good, how you're going to choose your product, how you're going to create your system. Okay, but I'm going to show more about that in a moment. So this is the community. You're going to see really active, some testimonials, people here excited because they jump into the program. Okay, how does the Super Affiliate Intensive platform looks like? Okay, this is how it looks like. Here we have the welcome to SAI, which is Super Affiliate Intensive. Okay, this program, it's with my friend Jamie and Jacob Carries. Like, you're gonna join the family, which is gonna guide you to the Facebook group, how you're gonna maximize the result. Remember, this is all about high ticket. While with Jonathan, he gave you suggestions about low ticket, high ticket, and recurring income. Okay, this is what he is going to be covering you. Well, it's an introduction. It's all about mindset, which is really important. This is a business opportunity. This is not a get rich scheme. You're going to see that the videos are really, really long. This is almost 2 hours. How you're going to offer, or you're going to create your irresistible offer, conversion strategies. Let me show you a little bit here. You're going to see an hour of 40 minutes. Right, audience and building, right? He's actually showing you here the framework, right? How to create your stories. Okay, here you're gonna have your free call. Remember that you're gonna have an opportunity to have a one-time call with a coach. Okay, so they're gonna be creating a custom plan for you. Everything is about high ticket, and everything is about the fact that you need to create a community and have conversations on Facebook. Here are the bonuses, with people when they graduated. So they have some testimonials here, right? Again, really long interviews, right? And the bonuses, again, the super affiliate story formula, how you can create your story so you can connect with people, how you're going to attract people with money, because again, remember that this is all about Facebook. So how you're going to be creating your content, how you're going to be creating your Facebook community on Facebook group, and then you're going to learn, right, how you are going to be monetizing and growing your Facebook group. Again, this is $100. Both programs have a refund policy. So if you are interested on, like, okay, I'm not going to have my funnel, I'm not going to create that, I prefer not to go with email sequence, but I prefer to be talking with people all day long. This is basically what you need to know. And remember, it's all about high ticket. Okay, if you go again with Freedom Breakthrough, right, with Jonathan Montoya, you're going to see here you have day 1. Here is an actual video. The training is way shorter. This video is 37 minutes. It's just 3 days. You're going to have a workbook. This is something that I really like because you're going to have homeworks on day number 2. Okay, here you're going to have your system. Again, 38 minutes, and you're going to have everything up and running in 30 minutes. Here's your workbook. Here are the funnel builder that he used, right? The email autoresponder. With just one click, literally, you're going to have your business, the same model. He is also explaining you guys why he has the structure that he has. And remember that you're going to learn about choosing products. So maybe high ticket is not for you, or you don't feel comfortable at high ticket, right? So on day number 3, it's all about traffic. This is the longest lesson because he has different methods, okay, different ways in which you can drive traffic. Remember TikTok, remember YouTube. Here are the actual tools that he is using, right? Different ways in which you can actually create videos, all the call to actions and everything. This is the 3-day business challenge with Jonathan Montoya. I really suggest you guys to go with it if you are actually interested on learning, how to create your business. And it's not just about, going with high ticket. It's not just about just one way to drive traffic, but you want to have options. You want to have a bigger community, right? You want to learn everything from affiliate marketing. So it's just $7. So really good, really affordable. Okay, and you're gonna have everything that you need in just 3 days. After that, it's you need to implement, because results are not gonna come is you just go like, okay, I want to go with the super affiliate, right? I'm ready to invest the $100, or I want to go with the Freedom Breakthrough 3-day business challenge, right? Okay, but you are just consuming the content and you are not taking action. So that's the reason why I think communities are really important. You're going to see this community, super affiliate intensive, less than 500 members, and the 3-day business breakthrough challenge, almost $5,000. Okay, at the end, you decide which one it's the best for you. I actually decided to go with both of them. Of course, not at the same time, because you can be getting overwhelmed. So depending on your budget, depending on what you're trying to accomplish, like, hey, maybe you're going to go with the $7 because it's way more affordable. And by the way, guys, I'm going to leave a link below. So if you are interested in joining one of these products, the link is going to be below. It's going to be in the description. It's going to be also on the very first comment. So this is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoy it. If you do, please give me a thumbs up. If you have some questions, some comments about these programs, please leave it in the comment area and I'll be more than happy to answer them. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell. And I see you in the next video.